So I picked up this little RC truck the other day, maybe a couple weeks ago now. And it's 4-wheel drive, locking diffs, 2-speed transmission. It's a TRX 4 10th scale. Fun little truck, but I've been running it without a body on it. And I figured I need something cool. So I got a hold of my buddy Todd over at Blind Dreams 3D Printing. And I had him print me a custom body. So here it is. I haven't seen it yet, other than in the pictures he sent me. So you guys get to take a first look with me. So it's a 1950 Chevy pickup, and he had to do it in multiple pieces, of course. So some assemblies required. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. Lily, out of the window. Come on, girl. Yeah, this is very cool. Look at that detail. Even got the bumper bolts in it. So some assembly required. I'm going to have to glue it, finish it, make it look nice. Very cool. Cab. Very nice. I got window braces. Got to put in there, make it look right. Even printed up some window templates for me, so I can cut the plexiglass, whatever it is I'm going to use to make the windows. That's nice. And he sent me some cute little extras. Look at that. Cool. Thanks. I love it. I think it's going to look good when I'm done with it. And do some sanding, do some priming, put some color on it. Make this thing look awesome. Thanks, Todd. I'm Stephen Hampton. I'm Primal Sovereign. I'm out.